country, the former president, and you'll show me a piece of paper and you'll ask me to go with you?
Now that you're asking, sir, for the Article 718 of the same statute for murder, sir.
Having stated the agenda, I invite you to join me view the video clips collected during the incident.
Good morning, Raul po. Ano pong, sir, give me plano lang.
Ano, sir? Salubungin lang namin, sir.
Yung warrant, sir, si-serve
Hindi,
nyo.
sir, may taga-PCTC. May taga-Interpol.
Interpol.
Yes, sir.
So kayo ang lead, sir?
Yes, sir, yes, sir.
Kumusta kasi, sir?
Hindi mo pwedeng...
Sige, sir.
Kung hindi ako papayag, kung kakampi ka dyan sa mga puti, you better go back to them and have the legal... I am a citizen of this country, the former president, and you show me a piece of paper and you're ask me to go with you? That is a serious illegal detention.
Former President Duterte cries out illegal detention in Timor Airbase after he was served an arrest warrant from the National Criminal Court. The former president was arrested
For and against you in the court of law. And I want to ask you, sir, if you understand these rights.
Of course, coming from you, very clear.
Now that you're asking, sir, for the basis of the warrant, the ICC had issued a warrant pursuant to Article 25(3)(a) of the statute for crimes against humanity and pursuant to Article 718 of the same statute for murder, sir. Buhay ko, sir. Buhay ko, sir. Sir, this is a police operation. Ganito ko naman, sir. Ulitin natin ulit, sir. Sandali mo na. Square one. Are you saying I place the former president under arrest?
Daniel matanda pa.
The issue here is for you to choose 3 people to accompany here. May bus dyan. And you will be for the highway, chartered flight.
Chartered flight from... So we need to know bringing our president.
No, the highway.
Sir, we need to know this information where you are bringing.
Wala sa big request, ma'am.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
Just invoke Article 59. Bakit hindi yan magawa-gawa?
Attorney, you will do it
That's
for me.
precisely the point that I'm saying.
Ano
That's
yung
precisely
please.
the right to counsel is something that has to be observed and respected. Tanungin ko kayo, anong kasalanan ko? Katanungan. Kayo, nandito lang kayo lahat. Ikaw, tanungin kita, anong kasalanan ko?
Hihilain ko yan. Hihilain ko yan. Ako maniwala ka, hihilain ko yan. Kakapag manas. Pero hihilain ko yan. Is that our intention?
You have to kill me to bring me to him.
Is that our intention?
Ang anak mo pupunta dito.
Yes, sir. Hindi pa pasukin, sir.
Hindi ninyo, ikaw,
Yes, sir. Upon my order.
Sinipili mo pinapasok.
Yes, sir. Upon my order, sir.
Ang sabi ko, ang abogado ko, ang anak ko na babae,
They can visit you at your detention center.